This is Paul Guth with IQ Power Tools. Coming to you in a little different circumstances. Sometimes your personal life and your professional life cross paths. And this happens to be one of those days. I've had a kitchen remodel going on for, about a year. It's been actually finished for probably, or almost finished, for almost 6 months. And the very last thing, we got an operational sink working, so now you move back in and you start using it, and you always got those things to finish. Well, the big thing to finish that I have to get done is the backsplash for the kitchen. And since I'm spending a lot more time at home these days, I thought, I ran out of excuses and I got to get this done. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to do kind of an on-the-job demo with some of our tools. We're going to be installing some, actually this is 33 inch by 5.5 inch, really rustic looking ceramic tile, really for floors, but we're going to use it for the backsplash. My wife really liked that. Then around the windows here, we're going to trim that out with some 2.5 inch by 8 inch, kind of matching the ceramic tile as well. But again, I said this is a great opportunity to take our new little table saw and let's put it to a real life test. So I'm going to do all the backsplash and we're going to video the whole thing and see what you guys think. And it's a great opportunity for me to use our tools in real life settings. And I am by no means a master tile setter. I used to do tile once upon a time, but it's been many, many years. But I could do it myself. This is basically, I'm laying this stuff over drywall, so don't critique my technique, but let's see how the IQ 228 Cyclone does. Here I've got it set right on my island, or my little bar here. I'm right in my kitchen. I'm going to make my cuts and install everything. So let's get to work and have some fun.